Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can stabilize our Shaky video in CapCut. Let's get to it. First of all, open your CapCut, then import your video to CapCut. And here I have imported my video. Then if we want to stabilize our video, what we're going to do is just click on the video like this. Then you have to scroll all the way to the right until you find stabilize option. And it's right here. Just click on the stabilize option, and this is the video before I stabilize it, as you can see. And let's stabilize this video by dragging this cursor screen like this, and let's check it together. Alright, now the video has been stable, and we have to click on this check mark after we stabilize the video. Okay guys, that's how we can stabilize our video in CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.